Hey, in this video, I'll be showing you how you can integrate your AWS account into CostTrail and start getting powerful analysis and savings recommendation. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. So as soon as you log in, you will be redirected to this window. If not, you can simply come to Integrations tab, then on AWS. Then simply click on Add AWS account here, and you can simply type in your account name, something like I will say CostTrail INC, and the role you are in. So let's create it. Okay, all right, so here you can simply click on create IAM role. Just go to it, and here click on create role. Here select AWS account and select another AWS account. For account ID, simply come back to a window, open this cross account credentials, copy this account ID, come back to AWS console and paste it here. Then click on require external ID, come back to our CostTrail dashboard, copy the external ID and paste in here, and simply click on next. And here you have to give the read only permission. Simply type read only, come to the last page, which is 11th, and simply select read only access, this one. All right, then simply click on next, give a role name. I will say CostTrail view role, and simply click on create role. And hooray, our role is already created. You can simply click on view role, copy this ERN, come to our dashboard and just paste in here. That's it. Now let's configure some of the details for SD configuration and the report name and all. So simply click on create cost and usage report here, and you just have to type in any export name. I can say CostTrail cost report, something like this. Copy this, come to our CostTrail dashboard, and in the report name here just paste in. Then we will come back here, just scroll below, just check all of these. Okay, resource IDs, the cost allocation data, refresh automatically, select everything. The instead of hourly, here select daily for granularity. Then you have to override the existing report, so select this. Also in the compression type, select gzip. Now let's create a new S3 bucket. So I will just configure, I will say cd cost bucket demo, I will say something like this, and simply click on create bucket. So once your bucket is created, just copy that name and paste in the name of S3 bucket in S3 configuration. All right, now we want a prefix path. So going back to our AWS dashboard, simply type, I'll say something like cd prefix path or cd cost reports, I'll say for prefix path. Copy this thing and paste in the prefix path in our CostTrail configuration. All right, now simply come here and click on create report in the AWS dashboard, and your report has been successfully created. Now come back to our CostTrail dashboard and click on add account, and we are configuring your AWS account, and congratulations, you have been successfully integrated on CostTrail.io. Hooray. So it may take up to 24 hours to get all the powerful analysis and all and the saving recommendation. So wait until then and start optimizing your AWS spend. See you. Bye bye.